Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Death in reverse, Three of Stars in reverse, and Astrologer of Spheres in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship, you are having some obstacles or difficulties in your situation. You feel stuck, unable to decide what is your next thing, maybe your next plan, and you have great plans for your future. You are thinking about your future, but you don't know which way to go, because whatever you plan for, whatever you are expecting, all that is not coming true, or all that is not phasing out. Maybe you are planning certain things for yourself in your work or in this relationship, but things are not going in that particular way. So there is some kind of confusion, and you feel left out, lonely, helpless maybe, and you don't know which way to go and what is the right thing to do for you all, guys, today. So some kind of difficulties in your situation today, guys, Gemini. So it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, and you feel you are stuck, some kind of confusions are there, that clarity is not there in your situation regarding some decisions you need to take, and you feel you are maybe for some of you the reasons maybe you are quite bored, or you are quite lethargic today. You just want rest, take a break from your usual routine, or you just want to take rest, and maybe you want to see how things are going with other people pitching in. Maybe they are suggesting certain things. You just want have that laid back attitude today, maybe for some of you, and you are just watching what the other person is doing. Maybe it may be true even in your relationship. Maybe when you are uh, in that attitude, when you want to take a break from your usual routine, you want a rest for yourself, maybe even from deciding or thinking mentally over certain things, you have that laid back attitude, some kind of lethargy taking over. So you are in that mode today. Maybe you want to take rest, see where things are going with people around you, deciding for yourself. But sometimes, if it is something important, some important decisions are to be made, you have to be careful, guys, because those decisions will affect not only others' dreams, their dreams, it will also affect your dreams and plans you have for your future. So you need to be really careful, Gemini, today. So there is nothing wrong in letting people suggest certain things or deciding for you, but if it is something important, you have to do it for your own good, guys, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Abbess of Stars in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, guys, it may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So maybe they feel that you are always criticizing them, maybe you are not appreciating them in anything. Maybe they are doing certain things for your good, they love you, they are doing certain things out of concern, but you do not appreciate it. You misjudge their actions, maybe for some of you. So this may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them. So that may be the reason for some kind of sadness in this relationship, guys. Maybe you are not having that perfect understanding with this person you love. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Four of Spheres. So in your career situation, I see that things are going in a positive way, guys. Maybe there are people helping you in your work situation and you are moving towards success and prosperity. There may be opportunities, good opportunities reaching you in your work situation, guys, Gemini. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So this card just means that there is a divine timing working in our situation, guys, working in our life. And we need to understand that whatever is happening in our life, we should let go of the need to shape each and every moment according to our expectation, knowing that what is ours will always be ours, and there is no need for us to worry, no need for us to make a lot of efforts for that, because what is destined to be ours will always be ours. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So the same way in our relationship, we have a particular cycle, guys, each and every one of us, just like the cycle, the physical cycle of our body, it has a particular productive cycle. The same way our love, whatever is preordained, cannot change. So everything has its season, and at the appropriate timing the right relationship will come towards us, and we will be in we should just be ready to receive it, nurture it and enjoy it at that time, at that right time. And we need to understand that this clock is eternal and it ticks according to the beating of our heart, guys. And the love that is destined to be with us will always be on the right time, and we need not worry, guys. So at the right appropriate timing, everything will be ours and we can relax and no need to worry. So maybe in your life today, you are expecting certain things and you are worried that you are losing time. Maybe right now you just have to relax, just see what is going on in your present life and be happy for what is happening today and be content with that, because at the appropriate timing whatever you expect will come true, but you need to just wait, guys. That is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it is Cooperate. So with this card, it just means that we have to be more cooperative. We have to have that sense of community in our life, guys. So at times of difficulty, we always work with people, we cooperate selflessly, and we help to build our family and community. And when we work with people, it helps us to go over the differences we have with each other. It helps us to build bridges where there was only division in our life. So, the same way in your relationship today, maybe it is time for you to cooperate with this other person. Maybe guide them or help them out in whatever way possible. You need to work together as a team, encourage each other's skills and talents, and work together, so that way great things can be achieved in your life for you. And when you work together, when you put both your strengths together, you become a very strong team, and you are able to find better solutions for yourself. And when you work together with this other person in this relationship, maybe you are having some troubles in this connection, you want to change the way things are, you need to go for this attitude, guys. Work towards that problem to solve it together, with both of you giving inputs, so that way you will be able to find a better solution for the troubles you are facing in your relationship today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose the second card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.